Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about thermostat. So here is our problem statement. A heating or cooling thermostat controls both a heater and an air conditioner. Implement a circuit of the heater. So here it is. The thermostat can be in one of two modes: heating mode equal to 1 and cooling mode equal to 0. In heating mode, turn the heater on, and when it is too cold equal to 1, means when mode equal to 1 and too cold equal to 1, the heating should be on, and when mode equal to 0 and too hot equal to 1, the air conditioner should be on. But do not turn on the heater. When the heater or air conditioner are on, also turn on the fan to circulate the air. So in both the conditions, whether it is the heater or the air conditioner, the fan should be on if one of them is on. The user can also request the fan to turn on even if the heater and air conditioner are off. So this is the same using like last one. We have to just use the assign statements. So let's see how we can do it. So first is assign. First we will go for heater, heater. So what they are given is when mode equal to 1 and too cold equal to 1. When both are 1, the heating mode should be on. When mode ended with too cold. So when both are equal to 1, the heater will be on. So similarly assign air conditioner. When will be air conditioner on? When mode equal to 0 and too hot equal to 1. So not of mode and then too hot. So now let's see about what is about this fan on. So what they have told us, when the heater or air conditioner are on, also turn on the fan. So when one of this is on, we have to turn the fan also. Whenever the heater is on, we have to turn on the fan, and whenever the air conditioner is also on, we have to turn on the fan. And here they have given us another thing, that turn on the fan to circulate. In addition, the user can also request the fan to turn on even if the heater and air conditioner are off. So whether the heater or whether the air conditioner or user can directly make the fan on. So in both conditions, like we can think of an OR gate. Like like if any one of the input is 1, we have to get the output as 1. So assign output is fan equal to, whenever the heater is on, we have to turn on the fan, or with whenever the air conditioner is on, we have to turn on the fan, or directly user can also turn on the fan using this. So you can see that when any one of the condition is 1, the fan is on. So that's it. Let's submit the code. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success, and here are the timing diagrams which are matched exactly for summer and winter too. So in the next video we will be seeing about the pop count 3.